Hello, boys and girls. Well, as you know, the last several days we have been adding two-digit numbers. Today we're going to start talking about subtracting two-digit numbers, and we're going to start by subtracting tens. So if we look at this page here and the story at the bottom, it says that Alex put 40 lightning bugs in a jar. He let 20 of the lightning bugs go. How many lightning bugs are left in the jar? So he had 40 40 lightning bugs to begin with, and he let 20 of them go. So we're trying to find out how many did he have left in the jar. Well, if we had to draw 40 lightning bugs, that would take a long time. So we're going to use the base 10 blocks, and here would be 10, 20, 30, 40. So if he had 40 lightning bugs and he let 20 of them go, 20 is the same as two tens. And so how many did he have left? Yes, he had two tens, these two tens over here left. So that would be 20. So he had 20 lightning bugs left. Okay, let's look on the back of this page. Now, if we're going to find 30 minus 20, here we go, 30 minus 20. 30 is the same as three tens. 20 is the same as two tens. So if we look at this 0 as being the tens, and the 0 and 20 as being tens, we can just kind of think three tens minus two tens equals 1 10. And then if this 10 would also be this 0, 1 10 is the same as 10. So three tens is the same as 30. Two tens is the same as 20. 30 minus 20 equals 10. And here you have the model. Three tens minus two tens. So we're going to put an X on two of those. And we're left with 110 over here. Okay, so now let's find 50 minus 10. 50 is the same as five tens. Okay, and 110 is the same as 10. So five tens minus 110 equals four tens. So here we have five tens, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens minus 110. So we're going to put an X on one of them. And then we have four tens left. Four tens is the same as 40, isn't it? So 50 minus 10 equals 40. All right, now you might want to get a scrap piece of paper, or I'm going to just very tiny draw some sticks and ones over here. Actually, I won't need to even draw any ones because we're just working in tens. There's 0 ones in all of these numbers. So I don't have to draw any ones, just tens. Okay. Four tens minus two tens equals how many tens? Okay, that would be the same as four tens minus two tens, put an X on two of them, and we're left with two tens. Now four tens is the same as 40, two tens is the same as 20, and it equals two tens, and so that's also 20. Okay, because you know 4 minus 2 equals 2. They've just replaced this word tens with zeros here. 6 tens minus 1 10 equals how many tens? So they're replacing this word tens with a 0. 10 with a 0. And here's a word 10, and this is going to end with a 0. Now what is 6 minus 1? It's 5, isn't it? And look, I didn't even have to draw any 10 sticks, any blocks. 7 tens minus 3 tens equals how many tens? Well, this word tens is being replaced by a 0. This word tens is being placed by a 0. This word tens is going to have a 0 here. 7 tens minus 3 tens. Do you remember what 7 minus 3 is? Yeah, I hope you said 4. So 70 minus 30 equals 40. 4 tens is the same as 40. 9 tens minus 3 tens equals how many tens? Okay, that would be the same thing as 90 minus 30 equals blank. Okay, so what is 9 minus 3? 6. And don't forget the 0 here. The same way, 6 tens. We can't forget this word here either. 9 tens minus 3 tens equals 6 tens. 90 minus 30 equals 60. So, how does knowing 6 minus 2 help you find 60 minus 20? Okay, if you know that 6 minus 2 equals 4, then you know that 60 minus 20 equals 40. They're just, if this has a 0 and that has a 0, we've got to have a 0 here. All right, very good. I hope that you will do your best on the next slides.